Struggling with negative feedback? Leverage it to your advantage. With a few simple steps, you can boost that star rating in no time. Dealing with negative feedback doesn't have to feel like a daunting task, there's an easy and scientific way. It is possible to close the gap between user expectations of your product and their experience using it in order to create more positive experiences that lead directly towards higher ratings for your product. People's expectations of a product don't always match their experiences. That's why you may see wide variations in star ratings. To figure out what could improve the user experience, we must determine where and why bad emotions come from when they rate us 1 or 2 stars, then find hashtags that create an aha moment for 5-star reviews. Analyzing user feedback can be key to improving your product and driving marketing success. By using scientific VOC, you get the insights needed to bridge what users expect with their post-purchase experience, even in a competitive market. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment here if you have more question about it.